I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you. And please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, what do we need here? Well, if we have a look at the context, not people like whatever it is, well, clearly we need a quantifier of some kind. What quantifier do we need that fits both the language pattern and the context? Many. Not many people, what do they like? Like the bitter taste of ... For question number 2, the operative word here is the word after the gap, which is used. Which verb do we need which collocates with used that fits the context? And we've got 3 options that we can choose from. We can either say get used to something, become used to something, or grow used to something. For question number 3, what we need here is a relative pronoun. It explains why something is so popular. Not too difficult, that one. And for question number 4, we need another relative pronoun that connects what's said before with what comes afterwards. Now, the thing that this relative pronoun is referring to is the ingredient, which is a thing, which means the relative pronoun that we need here is which. For question number 5, a couple of things going on here that allow us to get to our answer. First of all, we've got the emphatic form whatsoever. This means none, zero, zip. It automatically points us or shows us the direction in which this sentence is going, which means that we need a quantifier which fits the gap and fits the context, which means zero, zip, nilch, nothing. Well, the answer is any. Does not seem to have any addictive qualities whatsoever. For question number 6, we're still talking about this particular ingredient and the fact that it doesn't seem to be very helpful at all. In this case, we're talking about health benefits. The word that we've got before the gap is very, and we also have to bear in mind the type of the words that we have after the gap, health benefits. So we're looking for a quantifier which means not much, which fits the language pattern here. And the answer is, of course, few. Very few health benefits. For question number 7, perfect verb form. Nothing too difficult this. The answer is been, and yet it has been used in cooking ... Now for question number 8, the key word here is the word after the gap and the type of word it is. It is a singular noun. It is not a plural noun. And that is very important because if it was a plural noun, it would change the answer completely. But because it's a singular noun, it tells us that the only answer we can choose here is every. Almost every culture. Now, if it was plural, we could say almost all cultures, but that's why the key word is a culture being a singular noun.